Where the fuck is everybody? Is this my hotel? Cause I'm confused. Watch some tunes, some TV shows. They got them drag queens on now. Oh. Nah. What is it going on, baby? What the fuck? Kill our stupid ass. Oh. They finna burn this bitch down. They try to get the insurance claim like a bitch. I got my man sitting outside and everything, bruh. Y'all see him? No, you can't even see that shit. Got a nigga sitting outside like a hoe. Baby. Baby, don't trip. Don't trip. Lower your tone. Cause you can get hit. Pop smoke for your ass. I gotta keep myself company with you all. I'm getting a face tag. For you, for y'all. But for me though. Yo, what the fuck is everybody? What the? I got no front desk, motherfucker. At this bitch. This bitch is burning or something. For real, for real. Gotta ring this damn bell again. I'll show you. Excuse me. I say excuse me. Don't worry about it. Someone steal y'all snacks. I got the ravioli. There's the Lay's chips. Oh! Tell them to stop playing. They got the sausage here. These people some bullshit. They didn't put them hot pockets out here with them sausage sandwiches, biscuits, knowing that these people snowed in and they ain't spent $20 on this, and they charging these people all that money. I'm on their ass with them weak ass Fritos. Where's the gym? I don't even have a gym. This is am I in a Motel 6? Is this a Motel 6? We could have got a Motel 6. Smoke that bitch out. Fuck it. No. Nothing. Where the fuck is everybody? Excuse me. Oh, fuck. I was trying to find the goddamn... You. Really?
Okay.
I was really trying to find you.
What's up?
God damn.
Yeah.
I'm really trying to find you.
What's up?
Are you good?
Yeah, I was outside. I saw you